and welcome to the session on matching by Prussian Blue. Let us begin with the session.
Let us now look at the objectives of the session. At the end of the session, you will be able to practice applying Prussian blue, blue matching the male and female taper work pieces. Blue matching is used for checking the matching of the mating surfaces. An extremely pigmented paste applied to serve in the mating of two elements is known as blue matching. In metalworking, the marking out operation is done by the quick drying stain. Both the marking out blue and the scraping blue may also be referred to as engineer's blue. Engineer's blue is prepared by mixing Prussian blue with an oily material, example, linseed oil. Tool makers widely use Prussian blue when the concave and convex of a mold are matching during final assembly. Materials required to carry out this exercise are engineer's blue, male and female parts prepared in previous exercises which needs to be matched, microfiber cloth to clean the blue matching surfaces, brush to apply the engineer's blue. Let us now learn the sequence to blue matching of the given male and female taper parts. Examine both the male and female workpieces for any burrs, dirt, oil or grease. Clean both the male and female workpieces with any surfactant like diesel to remove the oil from the surface of the workpieces. Use a fine-graded emery sheet to clear the burrs from the workpieces. Use a soft bristled brush to clear away the dirt from the workpieces. Wipe and clean both the male and female workpieces with a microfiber cloth. Apply couple of drops of Prussian blue over the male workpiece. Spread it out evenly as a thin layer over the surface of the workpiece. Now gently insert the male workpiece, which is coated with the Prussian blue, into the female workpiece. Slightly rotate the workpiece in one direction and avoid rotating in both directions. Now gently remove the male workpiece from the female workpiece. Notice if the Prussian blue has rubbed over the entire curved surface of the female workpiece. To recap, we have learned to practice applying Prussian blue, blue matching the male and female taper work pieces.
So that's all about matching by Prussian Blue. See you in the next session.